Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Gowda, Student Placement Coordinator at Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, NIE, Batch 2021. In this video, we will be discussing an aptitude topic called permutations and combinations. To say in simple words, if the question has arrangements in it, it is considered as permutation, and if the question has selection in it, it is considered as combination kind of problem. So, the formula for permutation is NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, where n is the number of objects or number of elements, and r is the number of elements that has to be arranged. And the formula for combination is NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial, where n is the number of objects or elements, and r is the number of elements that has to be selected out of that. Now, let us take the classification of problems in permutation. The problems can be based on numbers or words. If it is based on numbers, there are two kinds of problems, that has zeros and that has no zeros in it. And if it is word, there are basically three kinds of problems, that is repeated and non-repeated letters, always together and never together. Let us see an example for each type. For number kind of problems, in how many ways a three-digit number can be formed using 1, 2, 3, 4. There are totally 4 numbers, so n is equal to 4, r is equal to 3. Hence, NPR is equal to 4p3, that is equal to 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 factorial, that is equal to 24. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 and 4 can be arranged in 24 different ways. Moving on to the next example, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Here n is equal to 4 and r is equal to 3. But if we consider 4 digits, the first digit cannot be 0. So the total combination can be 3, 3, 2 and 1. Hence the solution is 3 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 18 ways. Moving on to the next kind of permutation problem, we have non-repeated letters and repeated letters. Non-repeated letters in the sense the whole word does not contain any repeated letters. For example, pen, stay, fridge. Let us find the number of arrangements that can be made using PEN, that is pen. Here we have 3 factorial, that is equal to 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6 ways. For stay, we have 4 letters, therefore 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 24 ways. For fridge, we have 6 letters, hence the total number of ways is 6 factorial, that is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 720 ways. Moving on to the next kind of problems, that is with repeated letters. We have, for example, in laptop, LAPTOP, we have 6 letters and P is repeated twice. Hence we get 6 factorial divided by the number of repetitions, that is 2 factorial, that is equal to 720 divided by 2, that is 360 ways. For next example, Mississippi, we have total 11 letters and number of repetitions of I is 4, S is 4 and P is repeated 2 times. Hence the total permutation for Mississippi is 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. This 4 factorial is for I, this is for S, and this is for P. The total answer need not be in total simplified whole number form. Look at the options and then mark the correct one. Moving on to the next type of problems, that is always together and never together. This is a very important type. For example, how many words can be formed using aptitude wherein the vowels always come together? We know that the vowels are A, E, I, O and U. Here aptitude contains 4 vowels and 4 consonants. But in consonants we have 2 repeated T's. To solve this problem, we will consider all the vowels to be one letter. So we have total 4 consonants plus all the vowels to be considered as 1 factorial divided by the total number of times a repeated letter is, that is T is repeated twice, therefore we take 2 factorial, and into the part which most of us miss is that there can be interarrangement inside the vowels, so we have to consider that part, therefore 4 factorial. This is the solution for this problem, that is equal to 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Look at the options. If the option has whole numbers, then simplify the problem. If not, mark the correct one. For never together kind of problems, we have one formula, that is total permutations minus always together. That is, we have to find out the total permutations that can be formed using aptitude minus the one which we previously solved, that is 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Moving on to the next topic, that is combination. Here we are selecting a specific number from a group. Let us take some examples. In how many ways can the team of 11 members can be selected from a total of 15 members? That is, we have n is equal to 15 and r is equal to 11. From the formula, we can have 15c 11 is equal to 15 factorial divided by 15 minus 11 is 4 factorial into 11 factorial. Solving this will give the option. Instead of solving, look at the option first. If the option is whole number, then try and solve it. If not, mark the correct one. For the next example, in how many ways can a group of 3 boys and 4 girls can be selected out of 6 boys and 5 girls? Here we have 6 boys, 3 boys should be selected out of them, and 5 girls and 2 girls should be selected out of them. That is, 6c3 is 20 into 10. That is equal to, in 200 ways this group can be done. That is all for permutations and combinations. Thank you.